Dear students, I am your math teacher from Paramount Public School, Chima. Beta, today we will continue exercise 2.2 from question 6th. Because I have already explained multiplication of fraction up to question 5th of exercise 2.2 in a previous video. Now question 6th part 4th is beta, you have to find 1/12 of an hour. 1/12 of an hour. Now beta, an hour have 60 minutes. So first of all change hours into minute. 1/12 of an hour. 1 hour have 60 minutes. Understood beta? Now solve. Or means multiply. Now 60 is cancelled with 5 beta. I have only 1 multiply 5 minute. Okay, understood? So 1/12 part of an hour is 5 minutes. Clear beta? Next is part 6th. 320 of kg. Kg means kilogram. So as like the previous question beta, first of all convert kg into gram. You know 1 kilogram have 1000 gram. So change 1 kilogram into gram first. Then solve. 320 multiply, or means multiply 1000. 0 cancel with 0. 100 cancel on 2. 52s are 100. So 3 into 50 is equal to 150. So it is 150 gram. Clear? Now beta question 8th. 5/6 of a day. Same like the previous questions. First of all convert a day into hour. You know one day have 24 hours. Clear? Now solve. Or means multiply. 24 cancel with 6. 6 4s are 24. And 5 multiply 4 beta 20 hours. Understood beta? Clear? Similarly, the pending parts I am giving now, you have to solve in the same way. Yes beta, these are the pending parts of question 6th. Question first, very simple, you have to find 7 upon 11th of 330 rupees. Simply you have to multiply, or means multiply. Third part up to third are very simple. And look here at the fifth part, you have to find 5/6 of an year. Now you know one year have 12 months. So first of all change 1 year into 12 months. Then multiply with 5 upon 6. Next beta 7/20ths of a liter. Now here you will change liter into milliliter. You know 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Then multiply with 720. Next beta 2/7 of a week. Now here you have to change week into days. You know 1 week have 7 days. So it will be very simple. 2 upon 7 multiply 7, it will be 2. Understood? I hope easily you can solve these questions. Clear beta? Yes beta, your next question is question 7th. Word problem. Shikha plants 5 saplings in a row in her garden. Saplings means beta small plants. She is planting 5 plants in a row. Like she is planting in that way 5 plants in a row. First plant. Similarly beta second one, third, fourth and fifth plant. 5 plants she is planting in a row. Distance between 2 adjacent sapling is 3/4. Adjacent means beta neighborhood, 2 neighborhood plant. Distance between every neighborhood plant is 3.4 meter. Every adjacent plant is 3.4 meter. Understood beta? Means distance between every adjacent plant is 3.4. Now find the distance between first, this your first, and last, means your fifth plant. You have to find distance between first and fifth plant. That distance you have to find according to the statement. Now look at the diagram beta. Easily from the diagram we can find distance between first and last sapling, means first and last plant. Now beta look, now your distance is divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to find that distance, whole distance. Okay, distance divided into 4 parts and length of every part is 3.4. Length of every part is 3.4. I have to find total distance. Length of every part is 3.4. How many parts are there beta? 4. So 3.4 multiply with 4. Understood? So this is your total distance. It will be equal to 3 meter. Very easy. Clear beta? Understood? Beta, your next question is question 8th. Ravish read 1/3 part of a book in 1 hour. Means part of book read by Ravish in 1 hour is 1/3. And you have to find how much part of the book will he read in 2 and 1/5 hours. Here beta I am sharing with you an example. Very easy example. For example, cost of a pen is 10 rupees. Then what is the cost of 5 pen? I want to find, in 5th or in 6th class we have solved unitary method there. Cost of a pen is 10. I want to find 5 pens. So 10 multiply 5, cost of 5 pen beta will be 50 rupees. Similarly, we will proceed here. Now part of book read in 1 hour, 1/3. I want to find part of book read in 2 and 1/5 hours. Part of book read in 2 and 1/5 hours. Now beta look, part of book read in 1 hour, it is 1/3, means 1/3. And part of book read in 2 and 1/5, 1/3 multiply 2 and 1/5. As like cost of pen is 10, cost of 5 pen 10 multiply 5, 50. So part of book read in 1 hour is 1/3. Part of book read in 2 and 1/5 hours is 1/3 multiply 2 and 1/5. Mixed fraction change into simple. Improper fraction, 5 2s are 10, 10 and 1 11. Now beta multiply numerator with numerator. 11 into 1 into 11 is equal to 11. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So part of book read in 2 and 1/5 hour is 11/50. Understood beta? Your next question is beta question 10th. In question 10th, you have given length of a rectangular park 14 and 2/3 meter. Now look, it is mixed fraction, change into improper. 14 into 3 plus 2, it become 125.3 meter. And breadth of rectangular park, that is B, is equal to 18 and 3/5 meters. Understood beta? It become change into improper 93/5 meter. you have to find area of rectangular park. You know beta, what is the area of rectangle? Length multiply breadth. Now fill the value. Length is 125 upon 3 and breadth of the park is 93 upon 5. Now look at the numerator and denominator, anything is common. Now 93 is cancel on 3. So 31 3s are 93 and 125 cancel on 5. 25 5s are 125. So I have only in the numerator 25 multiply 31. So area of the rectangular park is equal to beta 25 multiply 31. Understood beta? It is equal to 775 meter square. Clear? Understood? Beta, your next question is question 15th. Question 15th is, there are 45 students in a class and 3.5 of them are boys. How many girls are there in the class? Now beta look, there are 45 students in the class, means total student in the class are 45. 3.5 of them are boys. Number of boys. Now clearly beta from the statement 3/5 of them are boys. That means the number of boys are 3.5 of 45. Or means multiply. Cancel on 9. 9 5s are 45. 9 into 3 27. So number of boys are 27. Now you can easily find number of girls. Number of girls in the class. Now total student are beta 45. Out of them 27 are girls. So 27 are boys. So number of girls are 45 minus 27 equal to 18. Understood beta? So there are 18 girls in the class. Clear? Yes beta, these are the pending parts of exercise 2.2. Question 9th, 11th, 12th, 13th and 14th. Related to the previous sums, previous word problems I have explained. According to these problems, you have to try these sums by yourself. This is all about exercise 2.2. So tomorrow we will continue our next exercise, next topic, division of fractions. Thank you beta.